Happy new month to all the people when they look us, Koro and they hear us wine on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. And this, now the Ogbonge Politics discussion show, as it dey hot. Every Monday go each Friday with the carry topic when they come on smoke inside Nigeria politics arrangement to chook mouth on top. So that you self go contribute and those where the matter concern, they go take the necessary action so that we go move our country forward. My name na Ezugo Chokwodi, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio. I dey with my brother when Sabi well as they concern politics matter as it dey hot.
Yes, good morning, our beautiful, wonderful, and special viewers where they watch us right now. We don't carry that Ogbonge program coming now Domot again. And what even the name of the program? As it dey hot, that political program where they search now with different political activities where they happen for our Obodo, Nigeria. And on today's edition, go different from the regular ones. We go first give now we'll first give now the tidbits of what happened over the weekend. That is, I know say all of now, some of now we don't dey far from the political activities will happen over the weekend. So we go just now what happened so that eventually if now go call now if we talk the one way they sweet now for Bella or the one way they make now feel say I need to talk on this one. The program now as it is hot. And then my name never see change. My name now Nkubi.
What do they do every Monday now to tear the nylon come out on top of the thing wey happen for Nigeria over the weekend? And we been wondering like surprise, but he be like say our cameraman based on say he don't sabi the work where he don't give us away, and he no good say as we don't show our Ogbonge visitor make we come start the talk, make we no introduce am, go be like say we dey waste time. From the camera una don see the Ogbonge guest wey we carry come inside our studio. His name na Honorable Kayode Okpefa. I go call him again. Honorable Kayode Okpefa. And the kind of position when he say he don't occupy inside Lagos State when every other state when they inside Nigeria they look as model state. Now the position of the commissioner for the Ministry of Transportation. And he don't do the work well because if you look Lagos, you go see say the way when it's in there before, not be like that. It dey now. As he be say, our transportation don't improve. I go speak English tremendously, and all of us, our belly, they sweet us. And no need to come and carry the introduction go far because I've been want to introduce them in a special way. But as soon as I don't see him face, make I keep am short so that we go move forward. Honorable Kayode Okpefa, welcome to As It Dey Hot.
This place auto.
It dey hot.
Chukwu don't do the introduction, and normally we get tradition here. We know they allow our guests just come for nothing. We talk, he go waka go. We collect hand of blessing from the guest. So that once we don't they enter the guest, once we don't they fire the guest, no go be like say we dey fight to. So we first.
You go shake your hand. You go shake me too.
I think I'm blessed.
You go shake me to make it look like say.
Take the blessing.
But Nkubi, make we not just
still give the major activities.
Make we give the major. What we do every Monday because of say we dey lock our shop here on Friday. Say Saturday and Sunday we dey put our ear for ground. All the Ogbonge gist wey happen for weekend we'll carry and come here make everybody come discuss them. And as you don't come here today, you go follow us chook mouth on top. And the first one we get to do with the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. The Ogbonge joint body for our country when we say that they chook eye inside fraud and graft matter. That is, people when we say they use backyard colobi money when belong to all of us for inside this our country. People don't talk say be like say the EFCC all of a sudden because of the Buhari effect. They don't wake up, don't begin to take action. And this invitation, when they don't carry give one woman, when we say she they occupy very important position for inside the Osun State judiciary. Now something when we say everybody don't chook eye on top. Over the weekend, one source from the EFCC talk say Justice Folaomi Oloyede. Everybody go remember saying that she be the person when we say she writes letter for on top of A4 paper. She don't even make mistake. On the 19th of June, carry the letter go give the Osun State House of Assembly, where she carry accuse, knock the governor of the state, Ogbeni Rauf Aregbesola, say the way when he takes spend money for inside Osun State, the thing they suspect, make them chook eye on top. And the Osun State House of Assembly can set up panel to look into the matter. And this Friday went past, so now in the 2 weeks when I give the panel expire, as EFCC don't step into the action, it be like say we never see the end of this drama. Wetin we dey always dey talk on top of Presido na say the people when they do their work, allow them to do their work. The person when we say in hand dey clean, he go show us in hand at the end of the day so that nothing go spoil in name.
Yes, and under Tory wey dey trend na the issue of say I owe you, you no owe me. Yes, the vice president, that is Professor Yemi Osinbajo, don come out for one event wey dem hold for Kano. He come out come talk say look say we know say we dey owe. Say 36 states, that is 36 state government, they owe like how much? Then they owe commercial banks like 685 billion naira.
It could be called the billion where? Call am with force.
With force.
But they no say the money plenty.
Say, then they owe commercial banks 685 billion naira. Now they owe commercial banks because we also they are very aware. Say yes, say some of these states they owe their workers, people where they owe, and they say the issue can't be so dramatic to the point where we say people can't they protest, say they need to collect their money, they need to pay them and all that. So now it be the thing where they trade down, but the issue will come down to say share this money where they be promised the P states, whether they don't give them, we don't know, and even if they don't give them, share the workers don't see the money collect, we don't also know, and now something we also need to follow up. And then on top of that, we still hear this other story say yes, so say 18 governors out of the 19 governors where they talk say they owe WAEC, West African Examination Council, WAEC. Money say then they under pressure right now. Say they are fired. That is they are hot right now. Then they run around to make sure say at least they find money do it. Take settle WAEC so that they don't go expose them for outside. Say oh you are one of them. And then so that the students will write the exam. That they will feel see results and know as their prospect go be. They will feel move on in life. And make them also forget. Say last week we carried the Tori. We just now Tori where Mr. Charles, who is the spokesperson of WAEC, come and talk. Say 19 governors, 19 states they owe them how much? 4 billion naira. On top of it, on top of say they do it, they conduct exam for the students and say they never pay them the money where they owe them. Now that Tori way they trending with that.
They also say if you check the way when our Oga Presido dey, as a man of integrity, say one new verse very soon, somehow, the thief will enter inside our holy book. And that talk now say the fear of Buhari is the death of corruption in Nigeria. And why I talk this one? For the civil service, query now something when we say people they take very, very seriously. But in recent time, it can't be like say people they even they use query they play. I will query you, you will query me. I will query you, you will query me. And now our Oga Presido, after he taking here say some people they don't carry query, put them under their this thing, put them they just sit down. He can't talk say within 24 hours, say any query when they serve anybody, make the person they answer them. And he can carry instruction, give the office of the Auditor General of the Federation, say all the outstanding audit queries when they inside our Obodo Nigeria, say within 30 days, make sure, say he arrange everything, come submit am for a table. The senior special assistant to the Presido on top of media and talk things, Oga Garuba Shehu, now he carry this information come out on Sunday and then talk say this one now the way to take kill corruption inside the civil service so that if they give you work to do, you know do your work, you go answer them, and if you make mistake, you go answer for the mistake. Now the one way concern audit queries be that.
Chukwudi, quick, because we need to enter into action with our guest Oga Opaifa, so that but Ben make a quickly give this story so you go also quickly give your own so that he go get himself involved for the activity to talk with them on ground. Yes, Oga Buhari don't come out confirm say yes, say he go do it, he go reduce the ministerial this thing position, say he go slash and down. Say because we don't hear the rumors since, we don't hear them from different places, but he don't come out come confirm them when he meet with members of the Nigerian community for Benin Republic. He talk say yes, say the speculation no be false. Say he dey in mind to do it to slash down the ministries with the country.
Still for inside that Benin Republic for Cotonou, when Oga Presido and Oga Boni Yayi, president of Benin Republic, when they chop meat pie and they drink juice for inside one event when they organize. Oga Presido come stand up, come talk say, with the small contribution when we say Benin Republic don't give Nigeria as it take concern the fight against Boko Haram Jaguda people, and the fact say all the countries when they this our region, they don't stand up say this Boko Haram Jaguda people more pursue them. Saying they very hopeful say by the end of this year, Boko Haram Jaguda people we no go dey hear them again for inside this our country. All these stories we don't carry given and action things will happen for Nigeria over the weekend. We get our Ogbonge visitor, Oga Kayode Okpefa, when we say he don't occupy very important position inside this Lagos, the Ministry of Transportation, and he don't do well when we say the face of transport for Lagos don't see transformation. Oga Kayode, once more, welcome to As E Dey Hot.
Thank you very much.
You go begin the chook mouth on top of these questions, and we go ask you based on say the kind man when you be, the kind position when you occupy, and the kind book when you sabi, because you sabi book where study biochemistry, can't even enter inside.
Yeah, continue.
Your history there everywhere now. And we on top of As E Dey Hot. We know they do this. We dey do our research.
I won't know whether you know. Yeah, continue.
You study biochemistry, you even masters, go there toxicology. I know this. You will go continue. You don't occupy very important positions when they say even people when they union, they know you say you they speak the truth and you did there na ASU, like last chapter now. All this thing like if I begin to talk now,
You don't do plenty.
Plenty now.
Even if you come for sports, volleyball.
Oh,
make we not even talk
make we not even start. Make we not be like say we dey whine you.
Wait till now. Even lecture again.
He lecture for so many years.
Make we not talk again.
Chalk, if you hold chalk now, people go
Chalk they fear you.
Chalk they fear you now. No be even this thing.
So Oga, you don't hear all the tori wey we put yes, make you chook mouth into.
You guys they talk, they remind me of these Agbero people. That's when I go to praise you, your head go swear, you go just put that inside pocket.
But we will not be Agbero now, we will be gentlemen.
That's why I don't fit give you money.
I thought we know they collect. We dey speak for Nigerian people.
Yes.
Make we start
If I
from
give
the
you,
first
no
one.
go collect.
No be say this one ain't important for now. The first one, EFCC.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. EFCC send invitation go give Justice Folaomi Oloyede say make she come take her own mouth talk all the things wey be say dey inside the letter wey she send. Now the bone of contention I say for inside that letter she talk say the governor using own mouth talk say na around 20 billion naira na im don collect, but she talk say na lie. Say wetin the governor don collect don reach like 580 something billion. Now if George wey sabi talk say governor don collect this kind amount and governor talk say no be this kind amount he collect, wetin because 20 billion small for 500 and something billion now. Who could be 500 and something billion? No be wetin somebody go wake up say you collect and
no, we all know that.
Honorable, you must stop for this matter because the thing dey vex me. E dey vex me. E dey vex me. E dey vex me. E dey vex me.
This one like fella talk am for that music say oro pesi je o. Talk don chop talk. Now seriously speaking, make I talk am like this. I don't know where the Ogbonge judge get the
fact
our own number from. But this number then they dey everywhere. If you call Federal Ministry of Finance, then go give you. If you call the state government, the thing where I hear we say, state government they say they collect about 200 and something, not be 20. And the judge Alan say he don't they even change the number to 400 into the change number.
But
so no be
the Lamido to change number now.
That's what I want to say. Not be the number with the thing that say you accuse somebody say you don't chop money. Now, me I don't take government before. If they can't say when I did commissioner for 4 years, I collected 5 billion naira. You know, it could be like saying nah, big money. Not be big money. They are not collect 5 billion. I they collect 1.2 billion for my budget every year. Now 1.2 billion every year for 4 years.
Billion
between 1.1 to 1.5 billion
for just your own ministry.
For my own ministry. No, because sorry, I no collect job. My ministry money to do everything, to do labor market.
But we see the work
now. So when you hear the number, it could be like say peak. So when they say, let's even as you say they don't collect 500 billion for 4 years, how much that one go be for 1 year? That one go be like 8 billion, Abi. I don't know much. Now like 12 billion for 1 year. That's me. You go no say for 1 year. You know, they possible to just give 12 billion chop up. Now, if you go Osun, you don't see road, you don't see free children where they chop food for schools. I mean, you don't see him employ 20,000 people for 1 year. I don't know how many states get that kind of employment record. So, but now the governor can't come and say collect 280-something billion. It not become my word against your word. EFCC don't call them. The House of Assembly don't call the woman. She no show up. EFCC don't call the woman now. If she no show up, she go take her.
No, but the excuse when she give when the house call her and say she put her own
no,
outside.
That excuse no valid.
No, but she be judge. This no, we not feel right off waiting this woman talk.
I'm a civil rights activist. If you petition against somebody, you must show the person the petition.
Okay.
Now, the person response is not for you. The person response now to the panel where you petition. So when you come, the panel say, come, the thing where you put for paper, come and talk and say, now you do one. You must do that one first.
Okay.
So you must to appear before you ask for. They've done petition me before. When I reach, I tell the Olopa, say, where the petition? He say no, and I say I no go talk. Okay. When I see the petition, I read it. This is what they say I do. That is what I go respond to. Her own, no be to ask the panel. She don't forget, say, you know, when you wear two cap, she's a judge. This time she not be judge again. She don't be petitioner. So she don't dey used to petitioner coming before judge. Okay. So she can't be the petitioner and the judge. At the same time. So there is another judge. She must go to that judge.
You get what I want to pick out from somewhere. Okay, maybe we'll look at like this. This judge they mentioned was at least judicial and at least an integral part of the government as well. Okay, beautiful. We'll also look at she go also there where say yes, Osun State as a state they collect allocation. I mean, so.
And then the police publish.
Then they collect allocation, beautiful. And then right about now, then they owe workers in all the sectors.
Of the civil service.
Of the civil service. Like not even 1 month, don't be 2 months, don't be 3 months, don't be 4 months, don't be 5 months.
And December.
Like 6 months money, now they owe all these people round. If you check this thing, check within the judge talk, go also check the kind game we don't play and say money, they owe money somewhere. Just notice say monkey hand they there. Say there might be truth in all these things.
Nkobi, you don't answer the question yourself. Osun State no they owe until like September last year. Now, the state where they pay salary before. It can't reach sometimes, you no fit pay salary. The same time when federal government too, no fit pay salary. The same time where 22 states too, no fit pay salary. You know, say no be only Osun they owe.
Of course, but
wait till that one tell you.
Like say,
no,
Osun
one na politics. That one na politics. Now the people who don't like President Muhammadu Buhari, now the people who don't like you and me. And this man.
No, but President
I will tell you. I will tell you. Muhammadu Buhari say he go do the kind of thing where Aregbesola do for Osun. He go give Nigerian children food for school. He go give people who no get work like me now. You know say I no get work. He go give us social security if you don't reach the age of 65. Me I never reach 65. If Buhari come talk say he go do some social program, people come say social program for Nigeria. Actually don't too. You see for paper today, PDP, they call President Buhari socialist. That is what the people where they should they call Aregbe. Say Aregbe, they do social program. Actually don't do who they behind Aregbe program. And I go prove it for you.
Okay.
Now, Aregbe, they collect 4 billion before. Every, 4 to 8 billion from federal government. No, let's say 4 billion. I think it's 4 billion every month. 2012, I won't give you history now because I know say you like the way they read that paper. I like history. 2012, 2013, 2014, a critical year for Nigeria. For 2012, Nigerian government can't go increase worker salary, like double. Osun salary can't go from 1.7 billion to 3.5 billion. You know, say Nawala, Aregbesola in the pay. If they even give 13 months salary, that one a Christmas bonus. It can't reach 2013. Federal government, Jonathan government, can't they tell us, say, our oil, they leak 400
barrels.
400,000 barrels per day. So because of that, the government done they broke. So the money where they go to state, it can't they reduce. He can't reduce.
But na for every state, the reduction show now.
but-
Wait, make I tell you, Benue no dey pay at all for 12 months now.
But Benue
Even Akwa
Benue no
Ibom.
dey pay. Benue no dey pay, but not just a section of the government.
This one na the whole civil service.
wait.
The whole
civil
service.
No. Waiting they happen for Osun is no be government, they pay local government. Maybe you no know. Now local government, they pay their own salary. Government, they pay teacher and civil servant. For Osun, the thing where me I understand where we correct. We say they know they owe everybody the same thing. Teachers own they less than other civil servants. Now, let's get the facts. Make I tell you the correct thing before you they go for newspaper. Where sometimes now get throw away lie. Now, the truth where they be say for so many states, 22 states, it don't confirm now. They owe workers. Some they owe contractor. They no owe worker. Some they owe bank. Now, what it can happen, we say, when it can reach 2013, price of fuel for 2013 can they slide. So every state don't lose 40% to 60% where then they get for federal government. Now, federal government can't do another thing. Can't say the tax where state they collect. You know, say this company now, Cool TV, you know they pay anything to, you know they pay tax to Lagos State government. You don't know. When they say that they pay tax, the one where they pay tax to Lagos, now you, when they work for Cool TV, when they take 5% of your salary, now then they give Lagos State government. Before that money now 10%. Now the money where state they get. People can't say state supposed to generate IGR. Yeah, you can generate IGR. Now nobody say when you get the chance. Osun get mineral resources. Now federal government they do it. So generally, not only Osun, make I not talk Osun. I say all state of the federation. Now Lagos, you know say we know they collect money for Apapa port. We know they collect. Now federal government they carry all the money. They put all the wala. So the derivation, even Akwa Ibom, where they collect like 20 billion, like Governor Mechi mentioned yesterday. River State they collect before 20 billion. You can't reach one state, they collect 6 billion, 8 billion. That's why River State took on the broke.
But the problem is that time when they collect that, for example, Anambra State.
They no owe.
Anambra State under P2B. If they collect
we they say 22, we don't say 36.
No, we they talk of depending on what you they collect. Say this one no show say if all our governors them, if all our we they join everybody together and not be only now for agriculture. If you they sit down as governor now.
Make I correct. Me they make mistake. We should not be talking about the governor. We should be talking, make we they talk about the government.
Now what
because the government now, me too they make that mistake. Let me go like this. They say 36. No be every state they the same level.
Okay.
Now Osun get 35,000
workers.
Where they represent 1%.
Of the
Lagos get 125,000. Where they represent about 0.5%. If you look the ratio, Papa, Osun get more problem for workers than Lagos. These other states, sometimes where would they measure? I don't get the figure. Some of them don't get more than 12,000.
Very true.
And then they collect, Alambra, they collect petrol money.
True.
Wait, Osun they collect before 4 billion. In salary before now, 1.7. You can't double salary to 3.5. You can't they give the man 2 billion. You can't put in IGR 1 billion. The money no reach again.
Okay,
don't make you not forget to civil servants, where want they talk this, they be 1%. But then they collect 30% of the money. So the remaining 99% people, they must to run government. True. You must to do road. You must to sweep road. You must to provide so many things. You must provide drugs for hospital. You must provide chair for school. So government no be to pay salary alone.
Okay.
Government have to do so many things. Now, make I take this statement. Every worker will work. He must to be paid.
Even Bible talk now.
Yes.
Me, I agree with that one. Now,
honorable.
Make you no be like say we collect talk from your mouth.
Make we allow you drink water because
Where the water?
No, we go make arrangement. That's all we do it.
Don't go bring me hot water. Bring me cold water.
We'll go for this break. When we come back,
this place dey hot.
we go down. We at least we go enter into the second round of our talk with Honorable Okpaifa. We'll go with the come.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we dey carry the